Hello and welcome everyone. So throughout this session, we're going to discuss about conditional in JavaScript. So I will start by if else. Alright, so to apply that, first of all, let's have a variable here and let's give it a name grade, and that one will take a value of 70. Alright, so let's right now make an if condition, alright, to check if you are success or fail. So to apply that, I will start by say if, alright, the grade is greater than or equal 50. In that case, you are definitely success. Here is it console.log, and here is it success. All right, and otherwise, what it will happen, you are failed. So I'm gonna say else, all right, console.log, it will be fail. All right. So right now, let's understand the structure of if else. First of all, you got a value which is basically 70. So 70 is already greater than 50. That means any code inside that curly bracket, it will be executed. And JavaScript will ignore anything else inside the else block. But listen, if grade or that condition is false, the else block will be executed. Alright, so let's give a try. Right now, we said that 70 is greater than 50. That's why, as you can see, console.log success is already showing in front of us. But listen, if we try to make that grade, for example, 30, in that case, 30 is greater than or equal 50, false. So JavaScript will skip what's happening over there and he will only execute the else block. And he's gonna tell you, you already failed. Perfect. So right now you got the idea of, success or fail. Two conditions. But hey Darish, what about if I got, because in real world, there is some grade. There is A, B, C, D, and fail. So how can you gonna coordinate something like that? Man, don't worry, everything is handled. Alright, so to do that, I will deal with if, else if, and etc. So to apply that, here is that if you are greater than or equal 85, alright, that means you got A or excellent. Alright, and after that, I will have here some space. I will say else if in case you got grade greater than or equal to 75 and means both of the conditions should be true and grade less than 85. So if your grade is between 75 or 85, that means you are very good. So I will say console.log, here is that B or very good. I will repeat the same with good, so it will be else if, here is that grade greater than or equal 60, all right, or I think it's 65, I don't know, maybe it's different in your country. And here is that the grade is less than 75. So in that case, you got good. Console.log, here is it, you got C. And we need one more case, yes. So I will say else if your grade is already greater than 50 and your grade is already less than or equal, I think just less than 65. So right now, if your grade is greater than 50 and in same time your grade is less than 65, you got D. All right, so I'm gonna say console.log, here is it, D. All right, what about the last one? Yes, I'm gonna say else if your grade is already less than 50, you already fail. Console.log, here is it, fail. As you can see, you should take care about all the cases, and else maybe someone put a bad grade, or this is not a grade or not a real grade. Please provide the correct grade between 0 and 100. Perfect. And let's say Control S. All right. So let's say now, first of all, put your grade. Right now you told me your grade is 30. That's why he told you you already failed. But hey, if you told him my grade is -5, guess what? What it will happen in that case? Oh, he told you fail because we didn't handle this case. You are right. We should handle that case. I should tell him if your grade is less than 50, because -5 is less than 50. But -5, it is not a grade. Yeah. And I should tell him and grade, it should be greater than or equal to 0. Perfect. So look at that. Here is it. He told you, please provide me the correct grade, which it should be between 0 and 100. Perfect. So right now you handled all the cases. I think you still got one more, because you told him if your grade is greater than or equal 85. What about if he told you, man, my grade is 150? Oh, that's really bad. There is nothing called 150. My program forgot to handle that case, and which you know is bad. So you need to handle that case. Okay, so your grade, it should be less than or equal to 100. Look at that, what it will happen right now. See, he told you, please provide me the correct grade between 0 and 100. Alright, so if I tell you I got 90, look at that, 90, it should be correct. A grade, awesome. What about 80? Very good. What about 70? Good, perfect. What about 60? Awesome. So right now, congrats, man, you understand what's going on inside FLs, which is very important and in your daily tasks while you are working with JavaScript. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Keep coding.